Tell us briefly about yourself and your internship role.
I am intern assigned to the Register Office. My task includes processing CTC requests, sending emails, printing documents, and organizing files. I help make sure that documents are arranged properly and easy to find when needed. I also assist register staff to work to keep everything running smooth.
What motivated you to choose this company? Office for your internship.
I choose the Register Office. This can help me to improve my skills, especially in handling documents and doing office tasks. I also wanted to learn how a real office works and gain experience in communication with a different kind of people. This internship is a good opportunity for me to grow and prepare for my future job.
What are your key strengths and weaknesses? And how were they applied or observed? During your
My strengths
internship,
are patience, hard work, and being multitasker. I am patient in organizing documents, sending emails, and assisting people. Even they are already upset, I work hard to make sure my tasks are done correctly and on time. I am also a multitasker, which helps me handle different tasks at the same time. My weakness is that I am an introvert person and sometimes I feel shy when talking to others. I also tend to overthink, worry that I am doing might be wrong. However, during my internship, I work on my this by asking questions, checking my work carefully, and slowly building my confidence when communicating and with others.
describe a challenging situation you encountered during your internship and how
One
you handled
challenging
it.
situation I experienced was dealing with clients who were very angry or impatient. Some of them were already upset when they came to the office. I handled it by staying calm and speaking them politely. I listened carefully their concern and tried to help them as much I could. By being patient and respectful, I was able to manage the situation and assist them properly.
What are the key learnings from your internship and how will these support your
One of
future
my key
career
learning from
path?
my internship is improving my communication skills. Before, I was not very confident in communication with others, but during my internship, I was able to interact and transact with different people regularly. This experience helped me become more comfort, clear, and professional when speaking. Another important learning is patience. Through dealing with various situations and people, I learned how to stay calm, understanding, and handle challenges properly. These skills support my future career because good communication helps in building strong relationship in teamwork, while patience allow me to handle pressure and solve problems effectively in any work environment.